The world of air travel is constantly evolving, with regulations adapting to new technologies and potential risks. In a groundbreaking move, South Korean airline Busan has set a new precedent by banning portable power banks from hand luggage. This decision, the first of its kind globally, has sent ripples through the aviation industry and sparked debate about the safety of these ubiquitous devices. Busan's decision comes as a direct response to a recent incident involving one of its aircraft where a power bank is suspected to have caused a fire. The incident, which thankfully resulted in no fatalities, highlighted the potential dangers of these seemingly innocuous devices and forced airlines and regulators to re-evaluate their safety protocols. The ban on power banks in hand luggage marks a significant shift in air travel regulations. It reflects a growing awareness of the potential fire hazards associated with lithium-ion batteries, which power most portable electronic devices, including power banks. While these batteries are generally safe, they can pose a serious risk if damaged, overheated, or short-circuited. This new regulation raises important questions about the balance between passenger convenience and air travel safety. As we rely more heavily on portable electronic devices, finding ways to mitigate the risks associated with their batteries is crucial for ensuring the well-being of passengers and crew. In a world increasingly reliant on portable electronics, power banks have become indispensable travel companions. These compact devices provide a lifeline for our smartphones, tablets, and laptops, ensuring we stay connected and entertained on the go. However, beneath their convenient exterior lies a potential danger that has recently come under scrutiny: lithium-ion batteries. Lithium-ion batteries power a vast array of devices, from smartphones and laptops to electric vehicles. They are prized for their high energy density, allowing them to store a significant amount of power in a small package. However, this same characteristic also makes them susceptible to overheating and fire hazards if not handled properly. The risks associated with lithium-ion batteries are not new. Over the years, there have been numerous reports of these batteries catching fire in consumer electronics, sometimes with dangerous consequences. While such incidents are relatively rare, the potential for a battery fire to occur in the confined and crowded space of an aircraft cabin is a serious concern for airlines and aviation authorities. The recent incident involving an Busan flight where a power bank is suspected to have ignited a fire has brought these concerns to the forefront. It serves as a stark reminder that while lithium-ion batteries are generally safe when used and transported correctly, they can pose a significant risk if damaged, mishandled, or exposed to extreme conditions. On January 28, 2025, an Busan flight preparing for takeoff to Hong Kong was abruptly halted due to a fire in the passenger cabin. While all passengers and crew were safely evacuated, the incident sent shockwaves through the aviation industry, prompting a thorough investigation into the cause. The primary suspect, a portable power bank. The incident occurred just moments before takeoff, as passengers were settling into their seats. Smoke was detected emanating from a carry-on bag, quickly followed by flames. The cabin crew, trained to respond swiftly to such emergencies, immediately extinguished the fire and initiated an evacuation. Thankfully, the incident resulted in only minor injuries, primarily due to the rapid and efficient response of the crew. Preliminary investigations pointed to a power bank as the likely culprit behind the fire. While the exact cause of the battery's malfunction remains under investigation, the incident served as a stark reminder of the potential dangers these devices can pose within the confined space of an aircraft cabin. The Busan incident, while fortunately not resulting in any fatalities, served as a wake-up call for the aviation industry. It highlighted the need for a serious re-evaluation of safety protocols surrounding portable electronic devices, particularly those containing lithium-ion batteries. Lithium-ion batteries have revolutionized portable electronics, but their journey has not been without bumps in the road. These powerhouses of energy, while generally safe, have a history marred by occasional incidents that underscore the potential risks they pose. Early generations of lithium-ion batteries were particularly susceptible to overheating and even explosions due to design flaws and manufacturing inconsistencies. These issues led to high-profile recalls of laptops and other devices, forcing manufacturers to improve safety standards and implement stricter quality control measures. Over the years, significant progress has been made in enhancing the safety of lithium-ion batteries. Advancements in battery chemistry design and manufacturing processes have led to more stable and reliable batteries. However, despite these improvements, the underlying risk of thermal runaway, a chain reaction that can lead to overheating and fire remains a concern. Numerous factors can contribute to lithium-ion battery failures, including manufacturing defects, physical damage, exposure to extreme temperatures, overcharging, and short circuits. While modern batteries are equipped with safety features to mitigate these risks, no battery is entirely foolproof. Existing regulations. Are they enough? The aviation industry has long recognized the potential hazards associated with lithium-ion batteries, and regulations have been in place for years to mitigate these risks. These regulations primarily focus on limiting the quantity and capacity of batteries allowed on board aircraft, as well as their transportation in checked luggage versus carry-on baggage. Airlines typically restrict the size and capacity of power banks allowed in carry-on luggage, with larger capacity batteries often requiring special permission or being prohibited altogether. These restrictions are based on the understanding that larger batteries pose a greater fire risk due to their higher energy density. Furthermore, regulations often stipulate that spare lithium-ion batteries must be transported in carry-on luggage rather than checked baggage. This requirement stems from the fact that fire suppression systems in the cargo hold are less effective at extinguishing lithium-ion battery fires compared to those in the passenger cabin. While these existing regulations have undoubtedly played a role in preventing more serious incidents, the recent Busan incident raises questions about their adequacy in the face of evolving technology and the increasing prevalence of power banks and other portable electronic devices. The Jeju air crash compounding concerns. The Busan power bank incident came on the heels of another aviation mishap in South Korea. A Jeju Air aircraft crashed during an emergency landing at Muan International Airport. The aircraft experienced a landing gear malfunction. It crash-landed, resulting in a fire. Tragically, many lives were lost. The crash highlighted the importance of stringent safety protocols. Authorities reviewed aviation safety regulations to prevent future tragedies. The debate: stricter rules or a complete ban? The Busan incident has ignited a heated debate: stricter regulations or a complete ban on lithium-ion battery-powered devices. Proponents of stricter regulations argue a complete ban is impractical. Lithium-ion batteries power essential devices, from smartphones to medical equipment. Banning them would disrupt air travel. Instead, they advocate for stricter limits and enhanced passenger education. Proponents of a ban argue the risks are too great. They point to the difficulty in detecting and extinguishing lithium-ion battery fires. They believe a complete ban ensures the highest safety. Impact on passengers and the airline industry. The implementation of stricter regulations or a complete ban on power banks in hand luggage would have far-reaching consequences for both passengers and the airline industry as a whole. Passengers would need to adapt their travel habits, potentially facing inconvenience and limitations on the electronic devices they can carry. For frequent travelers, especially those relying on power banks for long-haul flights, a ban could pose significant challenges. Passengers might need to invest in higher capacity batteries for their devices, purchase charging adapters for airport use, or rely more heavily on in-flight entertainment systems, which may not always be available or reliable. Airlines would also face significant challenges in implementing and enforcing new regulations. Increased security checks and screening procedures for carry-on luggage could lead to longer wait times at security checkpoints, potentially causing delays and disrupting airport operations. Moreover, airlines would need to invest in training and resources to ensure their staff is adequately equipped to enforce the new regulations, educate passengers on the changes, and handle any potential issues or disputes that may arise. The future of air travel safety. The Busan incident serves as a stark reminder that as technology evolves, so too must the regulations that govern its use, especially in safety-critical environments like air travel. The debate surrounding power banks is just one example of the ongoing challenge of balancing passenger convenience with the paramount importance of safety. As we move forward, it is crucial that the aviation industry, regulators, and passengers work together to find solutions that mitigate the risks associated with lithium-ion batteries without unduly hindering technological advancements or inconveniencing travelers. This collaborative effort will likely involve a combination of approaches, including stricter regulations on battery capacity and transportation, advancements in battery technology and safety features, improved fire suppression systems in aircraft cabins, and enhanced passenger education on the safe handling of electronic devices. The future of air travel safety relies on a proactive and adaptive approach, constantly evaluating emerging technologies, assessing potential risks, and implementing appropriate measures to ensure the well-being of passengers and crew while fostering innovation and progress.